Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is a very impromptu video. I forgot that I had this even coming. Over the summer, a few weeks ago, I was watching a video. Jari, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm so very sorry if I butchered that. Beautiful. She has the most beautiful complexion. Beautiful. I love her content. And I am 99% sure I used her code when I decided to go with this beauty box. There are several other creators that also get this same box, so you can use various codes if you'd like. But it is the Chic Beauty box, and it came yesterday, and it's so neat. It comes from Niagara Falls, New York, and I spent a week at Niagara Falls many years ago when my children were much younger. When I was younger, I went to Canada as well and saw the falls with my parents. So, okay. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. Ooh. The box is bent. Please don't let anything be broke. Okay. Now, full transparency. I forgot what is in this box. Once I got it, I did not go back to see. Very proud of myself for that. Anyway, let's get to unboxing her, shall we? I'll get a little insert there. You get what is variation 1 and variation 2, the July-August box. So that's what this is. So, oh. These are name brand things. First up is this brush set. Let's see, does it say by who? Oh, up here. Here's Alamar Cosmetics. You get and it's got what kind they are. You get a crease control, a detailed diffuser brush, and a pigment packer brush. I like that. I don't want to open them just yet. I will be keeping them. But my makeup cleaner is in the midst of this horribly messy desk. I filmed a 2-hour video yesterday. Yes, I did that. Next up is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 280. It looks dark, but I'm going to open her up. I'm not going to swatch because I am 99.9% sure this ain't my color, because you can see on the box it's not a bright color. Oh no, it's definitely, even looking on the back, that's what it looks like. Man, and it looks like it flips. Oh, you have a mirror on the other side. That's neat. That is really pretty. Daggone it. I don't even know how I could use it. I think it's just a little too light for bronzer. I don't know. Medium to full coverage for all. Light as air, flawless filter effect. I don't know. I gotta think about that. And then next is something from NARS. Okay, NARS. In the shade Dolce Vita. Okay, this is a Afterglow lip balm. Yes, please. I do have a lip pencil, or I think it's a lip crayon because it's big and fat from there. Oh, I love these. I have one on my desk right now because I used it. I mean, you can tell I used it yesterday. This one isn't. This one's Orgasm, and this one's like a Dolce Vita. Love these. These are so nourishing, hydrating, and they last forever. So pretty. Next, two and final things in the box are, one thing I see that I very highly doubt I use, and it is a Gavisi Beauty Retro Liner. The packaging, the unicorn is taking me way back, but it looks like the shade is antique gold. This is the box. I mean, there's the roller skates. I mean, come on. But I will take it out. Ooh, that is a pretty color. Let's see how this is. Is it a pot of pigment? You know what? I think maybe I'm wondering. This is I think water activated. Something. Liner is hard to read. So I wonder if you could take and activate it and put it on like a packer brush, you know, like, yeah. And then you can use it maybe on the center. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna try that. I don't have a gold like this. I've got some Makeup Geek pigments, but they're loose. So I'm keeping that. I like that. And last, but certainly not least, is Almay Fairy Tale highlighter in the shade 280. Oh, it says that it's eyeshadow in the shade 280 Fairy Tale. I do not have any Almay eyeshadows. I don't think I have any. I did have eye makeup remover from Almay one time, but that's it. I've never. Oh, and I do have an Almay concealer, but that I got at like a TJ Maxx or Marshalls or somewhere. That is so good. I really do like that concealer. I swear I thought, because that's what it looks like. And when you turn it over, it says eyeshadow. I sincerely thought, well, if this isn't, you know, like a highlighter, then it's going to be a correcting powder. You know how them powders are now. They're all different colors. But no, it's not an eyeshadow, little eyeshadow palette. These two are, no, they're all sparkly. I don't know. This one might be a Abby palette. And I don't have any scissors up here, or I would have opened it. Well, I don't have any scissors, so I'm not going to open it. But, so in this, well, it's for 2 months. I got a Almay eyeshadow quad. I got in my opinion, thoughts, we got an antique gold retro liner. We got Alamar Cosmetics brush set. We got a NARS lip balm. We got a Fenty Beauty powder foundation. That is not a bad box at all. I absolutely am very satisfied with this box, and can use everything in there. The foundation is a bit iffy for me. Maybe it is something that I can very lightly dust, you know, maybe around my forehead to, you know, to kind of get that to blur, or maybe mix it with some others. I mean, I was racking my brain, and I've got these Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. This is medium, and this is light. And when you open them up, it is very hard to see the difference. And I have a fair one, but it's over across the room in the powder drawer. Just use these. So, you know, and I will do a swatch. And how I swatch, I do that. Okay. This is the light. This is the light. This is the medium. The medium is brighter than the light. That's why they were both up here, and that's why I said I used these. Sure did. So I'm kind of wondering, is this color workable? That's what I gotta debate and see. So, hey guys, as always, be beautiful, be kind, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.